There's nothing better than to come home from a hard day's work and sit in a brand new space that's just been built for you, a space with colorful flowers and fragrances, the sounds of the water spilling over the rocks, and a peace of mind that you used a company that was considerate of the earth, considerate of your needs and your vision on the landscape.
Most people come to us, they have an existing landscape and there are problems they want to solve. And so we're listeners. We're trying to understand what their goals are. We want to see them through the process. So we meet them initially, hear about their desires, design this landscape, and then build it for them. And we'll be there afterwards to help them service the landscape also. I just visited a landscape that we just completed. A couple is so excited about the transformation of this space. It had been unusable before, and now they're spending time in it. They're eating meals in the landscape. They're relaxing out there. Their daughter's playing in the space. For most people, they would like a low-maintenance landscape. And that's where we're incorporating a lot of the design principles that relate to sustainability. We're selecting plants that don't require chemicals to thrive and grow in this environment, and placing them in a place where they can grow, they have room to expand, they won't need a lot of pruning. We're looking at lawn spaces in spaces where it's appropriate, so you don't need to use chemicals to have a successful lawn. We put a big emphasis on providing an organic soil environment where plants can grow healthy, thrive. We're creating spaces that are healthy for wildlife too, for birds, for butterflies, for bees. We think about filtering stormwater, and we can do that through incorporating rain gardens. The sound of water is comforting, it's peaceful. It can often mask the sounds that you don't want to hear. When we install water features, we're using efficient pumps, so you can control the water use, the amount of energy that you're using. We also think about the materials we use. A base to a patio is usually crushed rock. Instead, In Harmony is using a recycled concrete product. It's functional, serves the same purpose. We're often adding lighting to the garden so it can be enjoyed during the nighttime as well as during the day. And we would use LED lighting, low voltage. We're creating environments that are a joy to be in. It's great to be able to walk around, to smell the flowers, to hear the birds singing, to see the wildlife in the garden, to see butterflies. We're creating landscapes that you can spend time with your family, that you can have friends over. We're also creating places of solitude, places where you can let down, relax, think, meditate, enjoy. A sustainable landscape is a beautiful landscape that will last and thrive for many years.